Okay, so this is part 5.
It's tiring. What does this thing do?
I'm pretty sure you're not doing it right.
You're doing it wrong. It's a good cardio workout right here. Who's the chick from The Biggest Loser? Jillian Carter or
Something like that. I know her name's Julian.
Jillian? Mandy, what's her name? The chick from The Biggest Loser? Jillian what?
Julian, I don't know.
Dang it. Comment, what's her face? Jillian who? Max and Maximilian? Anyways, she wishes she had skills like me. Yeah, that's right. She's jealous. Yes, she is. That's part 5.